An application is vulnerable to XXE attacks if it enables users to upload a malicious XML file which further exploits the vulnerable code or dependencies. This can be used to execute code, steal data, and perform other malicious tasks. If a web page enables the users to upload an XML file that can be processed or parsed for the data, then the user will be able to submit this file, which will in turn call important local files such as the password file under the etc directory, and will be able to display the content of this file. Some countermeasures to this attack include the implementation of whitelisting approaches at the server side to prevent XML files upload, the usage of WAF Web Application Firewall to detect and block XXE attacks, code reviews, and it's recommended never to use serialization of sensitive data at the client side.